partner words of praise with descriptive detail. Don't just simply say thanks, say why you're thankful. Once again, just to share a brief story of this in practice, I'm convinced that a program called Teen Challenge is one of the most successful addiction recovery programs in the country. And my wife and I have had the chance to partner with them financially for a number of years now. And one of the unique things that they do is they will have graduates of the program call donors directly, and they will say, I'm not calling you to ask for money. I'm not calling you to look for a pledge or any kind of financial commitment. In fact, I'm not even affiliated with the administration or development activities of Teen Challenge. I'm simply calling you to let you know that Teen Challenge intersected with my life at its lowest point. It was a fork in the road, and I've came out of it as a successful and better person because of what Teen Challenge did. Your donation made that happen, and I just wanted to tell you thank you. My goodness, that's a lot more powerful expression of gratitude than a simple form letter that you typically get when donating to organizations such as this. And it certainly has a profound impact.